to explain the topic law of conservation of mass. So first you understand what do you mean by mass. The amount of matter or material present in the body is known as its mass. It can be also understood in this way. The quantity of matter or material present in body is known as its mass. Let us see what do you mean by law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass means mass neither be created nor be destroyed in any chemical reaction. Means mass always remains same before the reaction and after the reaction. This law of conservation of mass can be proved by calculating mass number of particular chemical equation. So let us see one example. Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is decomposed on heating. When calcium carbonate is heated, it used to decompose into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So dear student, now I am going to prove law of conservation of mass by calculating atomic mass of particular chemical equation. Before calculating mass of any equation, first you have to see that the equation is balanced or not. So let us see. Calcium is 1 here and also calcium is 1. Carbon 1 carbon. Now you see oxygen, 3 oxygen, 2 oxygen is here and 1. So it is a balanced equation. Now we are going to calculate atomic mass of particular chemical equation. So let us see. What is the mass number of calcium? Dear student, as you are well aware about, atomic number of calcium is 20 and mass number is 40. Mass number is 40. Carbon atomic number is 6, whereas the mass number is 12. Now you see here, oxygen 3. One oxygen atom atomic number means oxygen atomic number is 8, whereas one atom atomic mass is of oxygen is 16. But here you see oxygen atom is how many? 3. So 16 into 3. So 16 into 3, 48. Now we will calculate the total mass of the calcium carbonate in reacted site. So you see here 48 and 12, 60 and here 40 is equal to 100. Means altogether the atomic mass unit of calcium carbonate is 100. Let us see in the product side. Here calcium, the mass number 40 and oxygen, one oxygen 16. So it will be 56. Now you see here carbon, mass number 12 and 2 oxygen 32. So altogether 44. Now you added both 56 and 44. The answer will be 100. Answer will be 100. So by this calculation of atomic mass of particular equation, it is proved that mass always remain same before the chemical reaction or after the chemical reaction. And these prove law of conservation of mass. Let us see one more example. Example number 2. Hydrogen react with oxygen oxygen and form water. Dear student, you know this chemical equation. So before we calculate the mass of particular chemical equation, we have to see that the chemical equation is balanced or not. It is being balanced or not. So let us see here. Hydrogen is 2 and here also hydrogen is 2. But you see here oxygen is 2 and here oxygen is 1. So we will increase the number of oxygen in the product side so that both sides of oxygen number will be same. So we will put here 2. Dear student, yesterday I explained you about balance equation. How to balance the equation. Whenever we put any number, it means the particular number will be multiplied with both the elements or the atom. With the hydrogen also and also with the oxygen. So here now hydrogen will become 4 and oxygen will be 2. But you see in the reactant side the number of hydrogen is only 2. So we will put here 2 and now the number of the hydrogen in the reactant side 4 and also product side 4. Oxygen here 2 in the reactant side and in the product side also 2. Now let us calculate the mass of particular chemical equation. Dear student, hydrogen is only the element whose atomic number and mass number both are same. Both are same and it is known as one of the lightest element. Lightest element. So 4 hydrogen. 1 hydrogen atom mass number is 1. So 4 equal it will be 4. You see here oxygen. 1 oxygen atom its mass number is 16 and here is 2. Then it will become 16 into 2, 32. So it is 36. Altogether 36. Now let us see here in the product side 4 hydrogen atomic mass of the 4 hydrogen will be 4 and 2 oxygen will be 32. So it will become here 36. So now by this equation also it is being proved that or any type of the chemical equation will prove law of conservation of mass is always mass is always same either before the reaction or after the reaction. So dear student, please you read chapter 5 all the topic sincerely and if you get any type of the doubt regarding any topic, please you call me. I will give you clarification regarding your doubt. Thank you dear students.